real quick, I'm going to do a air filter change on this Volkswagen Tiguan. It has a 2-liter TSI in it. We're replacing it with a Fram Ultra 11876. You can get these at your plain old Jane Walmart or AutoZone or whoever has Fram. Here's your new filter here. Posted a couple of videos of this on YouTube about changing wheels and the tool that you need to get the caps off the lug nuts, and I got a video coming out on how to replace the cabin air filter. But so real quick, those 8 bolts, they're hex keyed. Let's get this one out. It's gonna be pretty dirty. Real quick, there's the airbox, there's the old filter, and it is kind of on the nasty side, but you can tell that's another Fram by just the look out of it, but you can tell it's a way cheaper Fram there than this Fram. Actually, to be honest, that's made in Germany, so this is actually standard Volkswagen filter that comes with these cars. Because here's the made in Mexico Fram. And that is a direct swap. A lot of people replace these tubes out. I haven't got one yet because they're a little on the flimsy side. You can buy new ones, replace that. That's a little bit more performance because it's a little bit bigger tube that fits into that turbo, but that's down the road maybe. As of right now, we're just doing normal maintenance. So there's a mod to change this to the European style where it'll feed from this side versus feeding air from the passenger side across to here on the radiator and in. So it gets true cold air. And I've heard guys taking out the vent here so it gets straight into the intake box, and then it feeds from the passenger side also. It's almost like ram air. So there's different ways to modify this versus just replacing it with a cold air unit, say from K&N. Just like that, bolts are back in. And there's a Volkswagen TSI 2-liter. Kind of the same motor you see in a Volkswagen GTIs. Just down a little bit more on the power. But you can tune these kind of quick with a computer and get them about the same power. You want to know what hex that was? Size. CRV T25.